In this video, I will show you how to accept a friend request on Roblox on PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've got Roblox open on my PS5 and we're currently on the home screen. Now the first thing you want to make sure is that you have enabled cross-platform play. To do this, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top, come over to the far right hand side, then click onto the three dots where it says more. And then from here, you want to come into your settings. So this is where you can turn on cross-platform play. As you can see for myself, it's already enabled. So you want to make sure that's turned on first of all. Once that's done, you can come back to your home screen and you can see the friends button just up here. And all you want to do is press onto this. And as you can see, this is where you can find your current friend requests. So what you can do is basically go ahead and choose any of these. So let's accept this one here. Then what you can do is either press square on your controller to add them as a friend, or you can hold and press the right analog stick. So the right joystick here, you want to press that in if you want to ignore the friend request. So if we press square, we're going to add this person as a friend. We're going to get a pop-up saying friend added. And if we want to ignore someone, let's say this person here, all you would do is press the right controller. So you would push this in, you'd actually press it. And when we press this, as you can see, it's going to say request ignored. So that's how to accept a friend request on Roblox on your PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.